My name is Miriam Anderson. I'm a retired teacher, although I am still teaching. I teach online in the mornings, and I am also a secretary at my church as a part-time job. I retired in 2019 because I was having a lot of knee pain when I was teaching. I had an injury in 2009 and then re-injured my knee later on. I got pretty much better from that, but sort of better, I guess, not as better as I thought I did. And then it just got to be too difficult. I went the traditional route, went to the orthopedic people, the surgeons, and they said that they couldn't help me. Well, I did the shots and talked about surgery, but they wouldn't help me because I was overweight. And they said, you just need to lose weight. Well, when you're in pain, it's hard to think about doing other exercises that would help you lose weight that you need to do. And I ate a healthy diet, so I couldn't figure out what to do. So there was an ad for Abundant Health, and I decided I would give it a try. I had had help from a chiropractor years ago, and it helped I had injured my back when carrying my daughter around. And so I said, I'm gonna give it a try. And I came in and tried out the SoftWave Therapy. That was the initial thing, and then adjustments. And started off really well. And after the very first one, I was like, whoa, this is gonna help me. And it started to help, and and I kept coming back. And so that's, as long as I was getting help, it was helping the knee pain go away, which then helped me walk better, which then helped me feel like I had more control over my life. And I didn't have to go the surgery route at that point. There's always a concern like, is this gonna work? Because I try things and they just don't work. I went on, I tried different weight loss plans, they didn't work. I tried all these, and I had nothing else wrong. I don't have high blood pressure, I don't have high cholesterol, I don't have diabetes, so I didn't have anything else wrong with me. It was just, I was a large person and they wouldn't take care of it. So yes, the concern was, is it gonna help? But that went away on my first visit. I decided to say yes because of the pain relief, and because I felt like nothing else has helped, and this is helping. It went slow at first, and it's been slow increments over the years, but it at least is helping. And at least I'm able to get to the point where I can walk without having intense breathing in pain, like, because oftentimes that was what I would do is every time I would stand up, I'd be, until of course I re-injure myself. Sometimes when I think I'm feeling really good, I try to do things that I shouldn't do. Chase after my grandson as a baby, I was chasing after him, I was playing games, I was trying to do all sorts of things with him. And so, and also, I re-injured myself jumping off a wall that was higher than I thought it was. So there's lots of things that made me say, but this is what helps me. So I keep coming back because even though I'm doing things that I probably shouldn't be doing, it comes back and I can get relief. It also has helped that I've lost some weight, which I've lost weight because I'm able to do more things and have my energy level keep going. And so it's a snowball effect of fixing, and that Abundant Health provides such a wealth of things that you offer, and they cover so many different things. I've experienced the red light, and I've experienced the soft wave and the adjustments, which are perfect and wonderful themselves. What I appreciate about this place is you're kind of on the cutting edge of things that are coming out in the world. and you're always learning. And as an educator, seeing somebody learning to educate themselves about the new products and the new things that will help really gives me encouragement to say, yeah, this place is the place to go.